In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning landing page using Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner just getting started, this guide will lead you through every step. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Webflow in your browser. Once you have the website up and running, you'll want to look for the Create New Site option. This is where the magic begins, as this site will serve as the foundation for your landing page. After clicking on it, you'll find yourself at a crucial stage where you get to express your creativity and choice. Next up, you'll want to look for the template option. Webflow offers a variety of templates to cater to different design needs, both paid and free. For our purpose here, we'll be keeping things budget-friendly by selecting the free template. Feel free to browse through and select the one that resonates with the idea you have in mind. Don't rush this part. Take a moment to ensure the template A aligns with your vision for the page. Once you've made your choice, simply click on the template. Here, you'll have the opportunity to name your site. This might seem like a tiny step, but naming your site in a way that reflects its purpose can set the right tone from the get-go. After you've entered a name, click on Create Site. It might take a moment or two, so grab a coffee and wait patiently as the site builds. Sometimes these initial setups can take a little time, but rest assured it will be worth the wait. Now that your site is up and running with the chosen template, it's time to put your personal touch on it. Feel free to customize every detail to your liking. Webflow offers a diverse range of options to help you mold the template into something unique. Over to your left, you'll find a panel where you can click Add Elements to introduce more features or sections as desired. Whether you're adjusting colors, fonts, or repositioning elements, this is your space to let creativity flow. Once you're satisfied with the look and functionality of your landing page, it's time to share it with the world. Head over to the right corner of your screen where you'll find the Publish button. Click on it and your work will officially be live. As you can see, creating a visually appealing and functional landing page in Webflow is both straightforward and fun. By following these steps, you can craft a compelling online presence efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching and happy designing.